Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to see the return the largest digit in a number problem from the TUF plus. So here let's try to understand the problem. So we are given with the integer n and what we want to return is the largest digit present in the number. So here let's say 25 is the input that was given. So we want to return 5 because there are two digits 2 and 5. So which is the largest one? 5 is the largest one. Same case, there is one example where 99 is given. So in this case, any one of them, 9 and 9 both are equal, so we'll return 9. Same way in case of 1, it should be 1 only because there is only one digit in the number. So same like logic that we applied earlier, we can like solve this, right? So what we can do, let's say we are given with a number 5 2 6 7, right? So what we want to do, we want to take the let's say there was one variable largest num equal to 0. So what we'll do, we'll add this to here 7, then we'll compare 7 with 6, still 7 is greater, will not do anything. Then again we'll compare 7 with 2, still 7 is true, will not replace it. Then again we'll compare 5 with 7, still 7 is greater, so that's why we'll keep 7 as it. So we have to compare every digit in a number, right? So we need to extract the digit from the number. So we have seen that earlier, how to extract the digit from number. So same way, like let's say if it is given 5 2 6 7, what we used to do, we used to divide it by 10. So what you get, 5 2 6, then again divide it by 10, then you get 5 2, then again divide it by 10, then you get 5, right? So same way, you again divide it by 10, then you get 10. So you eliminate the last digit from the number, right? So we will write the same while loop here. So while n is greater than 0, because we are running it till my n becomes 0 here, right? So till that time we are running the while loop, and inside that what we'll do, we'll do n equal to n by 10, right? We understood this in our previous problems, right? Then how to extract the last digit? Int last digit equal to n modulo 10, right? The remainder, whatever remaining here. So we have seen this in previous problem, how we can rerun this and get the remainder, and we can take it as a last digit, right? After this what we will do, we will just compare if my last digit, my largest num is greater than last digit, largest num is greater than last digit, or maybe we'll do it otherwise. So we'll compare my, if my last digit is greater than largest num, we don't have to write else. In that case, last digit greater than largest num, if that, then largest num equal to last digit, right? So this is how we can solve it. And at then what we want to return the largest digit or number, whatever it is. So we have to return this. So let's try to code this here. So let's take one variable, int largest digit equal to 0. Then we'll run one while loop, while n is greater than 0. Inside that what we'll do, n equal to n by 10. Here we'll extract the last digit, int last digit equal to n modulo 10, right? And if my last digit is greater than largest digit, in that case what will we do, largest digit equal to last digit, right? Let's try to, and also we have to return largest digit. So let's try to run this. Oh, I forgot to add the semicolon here. Yes, it's accepted. and here also the time complexity is O log n, or O log base 10n, right, that we have seen in earlier cases, and O of 1 is our space complexity. So yeah, thank you for watching.